Hi and welcome to a new video. The new train collection is out and I have some craft ideas for you. For the first craft you need a Glock 18 green line and 5 on an eco sticker in foil. The stickers fit the gun perfectly, they really enhance the skin. For the second craft you need a FAMAS 2A2F in minimal wear and 5 Apeks Holo stickers from the Paris Tournament 2023. The metallic effect of the gun fits perfectly with the sticker and the orange color enhances the accents of the skin. For the third craft you need a Mach 10 Derailment in minimal wear and 3 Winding Scorch stickers. The stickers extend the fire of the skin. For the last craft you need a MP9 Latte Rush and 5 Natus Vincere glitter stickers from the Paris Tournament 2023. The glitter effect of the weapon consists of the same colors as the sticker. You can also try it with other glitter stickers. That's it for today.